వెల్కమ్ టు మై ఛానల్ తవ కథామృతం తప్త జీవనం. సవై పుంసాం పరో ధర్మో యతో భక్తిరధోక్షజ అహైతుక్యా ప్రతిహత యయాత్మా సుప్రసీదతి. ఓం అజ్ఞానతిమిరాంధస్య జ్ఞానాంజనశలాకయా చక్షురున్మీలితం యేన తస్మై శ్రీగురవే నమః. సవై పుంసాం పరో ధర్మో యతో భక్తి అధోక్షజే అహైతికీ అప్రతిహత యయాత్మా సుప్రసీదతి. సో సవై పుంసాం, that certainly, why means certainly. Pumsam, the same word that was used by the sages of Naimisaranya. Pumsam ekantata shreyas savai pumsa paro dharma only. Paradharma means not aparadharma or adharma. Will satisfy the heart really according to Vedic injunctions. There are two broad methods. One is Pravritti Marga, another is called Nivritti Marga. Pravritti Marga, ultimately the goal of Pravritti Marga will bring us to Nivritti. It is not that the goal of Pravritti is not other than coming to Nivritti. It is for people who are not yet ready to accept the Nivritti Marga. Just like a child, he wants that Pravritti Marga means cheating program. What is the cheating? A child wants to, let us say, he does not want to take medicine. The mother tells the child, I will give you the sweet candy. You take medicine. And the child's point of view, to make the sweet candy is the main point. Medicine, the side by side, the side point. And the mother's point of view, just liberal. She wants somehow or other. The medicine is the main, candy is the side business. Pravritti Marga is exactly this. Krishna wants us to come back to him. He does not want us to attach it to this world. His main business is to get us back to his kingdom, Goloka Vrindavan. He created this world just for that purpose, to rectify our mentality, which is given us our sense enjoyment, independence, false independence of Krishna. He wants us to rectify our mentality. But he tells, you directly come back to me. You don't go, because somebody has rebellious to tell them surrender is good for you. They just rebellious more. Everyone has experience with the children. We are all adamant children like that. Just for Krishna's concern, very stubborn, very obstinate. And Krishna made us this whole entire system of Vedic knowledge just for that living entity. Rebellious mentality can be gradually loosened and then eliminated. So the path of Pravritti is the path of religiously enjoying sense gratification, by which we can gradually understand the sense gratification will not give you happiness. Dharma, Artha, Kama, Moksha. When we speak of Pravritti Marga, it simply means you follow certain religious principles. so that you can enjoy life. You can enjoy material happiness religiously. In our words, I want to have a good home, I want to have good children, certain type of sacrifice, certain type of orata or tapasya, certain type of vratas or tapasya. You can do, you can get that things, but Krishna's main intention is not to offer you these things. Krishna really wants us to come into contact with Brahmanas who would teach you about benefits which are beyond this life, and then beyond all that to reach Vaikuntha. So the idea is that all we execute in Pravritti Marga also, you try to come into contact with Brahmanas and they would teach you, perform this tapasya, this vrata. Their intention is to teach you this is not everything, rather this is actually brings us to the point of inquiring into spirit. So unless this arrangement is made, the most of the conditioned souls will never go towards the Vedas. They will never go towards the Vedas. They will find too difficult to surrender. So Pravritti Marga is the path of enjoyment, not ultimately. It is a trick, but Pravritti Marga will never give you satisfaction to our hearts. So the very process of Pravritti Marga shows you that it will not lead to satisfaction, rather leads to frustration. We will done only, we want mukti. Finally this Pravritti Marga will deny by us. We want mukti. If it is not leading satisfaction, we want mukti. Dharma, artha, kama, moksha. So at some point the process of pravritti will lead to deep burning of the heart. You work very hard, you become the topper, you accumulate a lot of wealth, you are well known in your society, and still you are not satisfied. Nobody is facing enough. Somebody is saying, I want to go to America. I return, but he is not facing that he is enough. The path of the Pravritti Marga is only dissatisfaction, no satisfaction. So this is never lead to satisfaction, because it is actually building you on the false identity. Pravritti Marga makes you feel more and more you are the owner of the things, you are the controller of the things, and that is not actually ours. And therefore built-in program is actually leads to dissatisfaction. And that point one will come to Nivritti Marga. That is intelligence. So Srimad Bhagavatam is saying, don't waste your time spending in Pravritti Marga. Start with Nivritti Marga. So the alternate term for Pravritti Marga, Aparadharma. Why we ask the Aparadharma at all? Why not just prescribe Paradharma? The answer is this, that in order to regulate materialistic society, generally the conditioned living entity, as well as a lot of envy in his heart. The envy is so acute that he can kind of cruel activity for his own sense gratification. So in order to regulate this enviousness, one has to go at least to the human platform. Below that is animal platform. In animal platform there are no rules. We will discuss about this in next episode. Now I am stopping here. Srila Guru Maharaj ki jai, Srila Prabhupada ki jai, Ananta Koti Vaishnava Vrinda ki jai, Sri Sri Radha Govind Ji Bhagwan ki jai, Nitai Gaur Premananda Hare Hare Bol, Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare, Hare Rama Rama Rama